Waterfall.
I'm
Look.
not going now.
No, it says go.
Back up.
It says go.
Now there's real water down there. I was risking it for the biscuit. You give me a measly scream.
That's a spigot.
That's the hose I used to take out.
Oh, it's higher up. I see it now.
Okay, look at Sit right here. Oh, never mind. Look at the bit.
Looks like it's on his last leg.
Definitely. It don't even fucking matter now. I'm moving up there.
So I'm trying to figure out, it's telling us we gotta go up and then I guess, but I don't, this is what gets me, I don't see a fucking trail.
You don't see the trail? It's right there. It's going up, baby. It's up there.
Yeah, I know, I just want to get a picture real quick.
She's like, I don't give a fuck about that right now. So nice.
Mm-hmm.
Is that oh, that's what our fence went to on the other side.
Oh.
Okay, so we're basically back at the front. Cause that's
Mm-hmm.
the front fence right up there.
Okay, cool. So.
So this is where we gotta
Hmm. That was really nice. Wait a fucking minute.
What?
Wait, I don't understand. Where's the trail?
Oh, is that it?
Girl, we are off trail. Again.
Maybe.
So,
I'm scared.
yeah, we're supposed to cross way back there.
What?
Yep. Because now it has to go up there, and there's nowhere to get up there. Because look at your map. Look at it's off the map. Zoom in on it and look how far off the map we are.
No, I don't want to.
So where I was, we're supposed to cross over, it looks like. Again, a trail should take y'all an hour. Has taken us 6 hours. I need to sit.
Because it's hay straight ahead.
Yeah, it looks like it wants us to cross over the stream and then go left, and then we'll be at the front. Yeah, because I think we got to go this way. There's the path stick. Ready? You just look like Fernisha just did when you made that face. It says we gotta cross over. As long as we get... Where's the bridge?
Right there.
Well, let's go. I ain't seen no bridge. Why you didn't tell me there's a bridge?
I'm sorry, I just saw it.
I never saw a bridge. Look.
I was gonna have to down.
Oh, I thought you were looking. What do you see?
No.
Yep. Now we're going the right way.
So we have to come back anyway.
This wasn't very good directions on all trails, but
No.
I'm not surprised. The first time it steered us wrong.
You'll pile the stone.
Spring House. They need to paint the fucking thing lime green so I can see it better.
Spring house. Spring house. This is where we at. Spring house.
My dumb ass had to have us way up there in the fucking woods.
Okay, we're back at the front. Goddamn, I see it. We would have been mad if we would have went up.
Man.
And we had to come back down. Find a way
God
back down.
dang.
Fuck, I'm just working on the side of the road.
I'm glad you shot a little bit of fucking bridge. I sure is. You know, I need to start wearing my glasses out here so I can see bridges. Because I ain't see shit over there.
You didn't?
I ain't see nothing at all. I hope it might follow the trail we took. The one that with the new trail we made. That shit.
Yeah.
Fuck.
That shit fucked up. Don't follow us, baby.
Please don't follow us. Don't follow the little trail we did because it is not correct.
Okay, we see the blood-stained house. The massacre.
I'm glad we had them sticks today.
Baby,
Man.
you did You did your big one. You did
Stick,
your big
them
one.
fucking sticks came in fucking
Those
handy.
days came in handy.
Out here looking at the fucking backyardigans. Mm-hmm.
He got edges.
Mm.